Alright, next part, it is Thanksgiving Day, 2022, November 24th here. And I completed the sixth portrait this morning of victims of the American pro-death gun rights. It's not pro-life at all, it's pro-death. And the legislators, judges, and U.S. Supreme Court justices who allow it are pro-death, and they enable this carnage, slaughter of endless terrorist attacks, which are called mass shootings by the media and by the government when it should be called terrorism. Every mass shooting is a terrorist attack. And the carnage and slaughter and misery just continues on and on and on, needlessly. I urge people who are pro-life, Americans, to urge the President and your senators and U.S. congressional representative to urge the FBI and Department of Justice to classify every mass shooting, 2 or more people shot, as a terrorist attack. Nothing's going to change until there's a change of consciousness as to the fact that all this slaughter is indeed terrorism. Alright, the next portrait I'll be doing over here, a 15-year-old Chinese-American student who died in the terrorist attack at Marjorie Stoneman High School in Parkland, Florida, several years ago. Alright, to be continued. My best wishes for a happy Thanksgiving and a peaceful Thanksgiving.